Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we're going to make smashed potatoes, and it's kind of easy. We're going to make it Shelly's way, and we're going to twist it, of course. So I have a pot of salted boiling water. I have 3 large red potatoes because we're making smashed potatoes, so we want to leave the skin on. And so I've cut off any part of the skin that isn't pretty, and I'm just going to add the potatoes, to the boiling water. It's on medium-high heat, and we're going to let them cook. Now for the smashing of the potatoes. So the potatoes are cooked, and I'll give you the measurements later. I'm just gonna go freehand. I do want to put a little sea salt, but not too much, because I did salt my potatoes when I was cooking them. So just a little sea salt for flavor. I want a little bit of milk, just a touch. And I have 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay? Some people like butter. And I like sour cream. So I'm gonna put a dollop of sour cream. And we're gonna see where we are with this. So to twist these, you use white pepper, not black, because it gives a completely different flavor. Oh, this is new. I've never opened it before. So we need white pepper. That's my impatience. Okay. The white pepper gives it a different flavor. And many years ago, I worked at Kentucky Fried Chicken, and it was white pepper that made those mashed potatoes so good. Not black pepper. So that's the trick. So just gonna put a little bit, we're not gonna go crazy. And ridiculous here. Potato smasher, gonna start to get smashed. I like it with the skin. So your potatoes have to be well cooked, and your potatoes are not gonna be like mashed potatoes. They are gonna be kind of crude, okay? Putting a little bit more, and I'm making a mess. Chives, fresh chives. I like chives, so I've cut up some fresh chives, and now I'm going to go back to my smashed potato. I want to make sure that butter is evened out and not in one spot. I should have cut it in pieces before I put it in, you know what I mean? Okay. And it's that simple. We have smashed potatoes. Some people might want to smash it coarser. Some people might want to smash it a little bit more. For me, I like the smashed potatoes. So now I gotta taste it. See if it needs more pepper, more whatever. I gotta get a piece with the chives. It could take a dash more of the white pepper. It's better to put a little bit less and then come back and put more than to put too much. It is delicious, especially with the sour cream. And I need a dash more sea salt. Now, a little more white pepper gives you that kick. Okay, so that was simple. Smashed potatoes and absolutely delicious. So please hit the please subscribe, hit the notification button, and twisters, thank you for twisting with us today, making smashed potatoes, quick, easy, nice side dish. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.